The Cuisinart Hurricane Blender has BlendLogic's smart technology, which senses the load and gives you smooth, uninterrupted blending all the time. Now we're going to be preparing a strawberry and lime Fresca, which is bright and fresh. Just a few simple ingredients, and it's easy to make. The 2-ounce measuring cup integrated in the lid makes pouring my simple syrup in effortless. The countdown timer stops blending operation when time elapses, allowing you to customize the perfect timing. The electronic touchpad allows me to select ice crush, pulse, high, low, and smoothie. In this case, I have it set for 90 seconds, and I just simply press high. Beautiful. I can see already that the texture is just perfect. The fragrance is incredible, mint and strawberry and lime. And look at this color. Bright and fresh, topped with just a little bit of carbonated water. That is the perfect summer drink.